If you want to organize apps screen or app drawer on Samsung Galaxy A37, here's what you can do. So in the case of Samsung Galaxy smartphones, in app drawers, you can actually create multiple different pages instead of scrolling up and down. This is the default way to use the app drawer. And this allows you to move apps and organize them however you want to. These apps are not sorted alphabetically by default. And if you want to, you can of course drag them all the way to the new page, and you can keep creating more and more pages on the app drawer. So this should be really helpful in organizing, for example, sections of the app drawer or categories. So you can pretty much put different apps on different pages to be able to organize them in your own way. What is also quite helpful is of course the fact that you can create folders. So by default, we have a Samsung and Google folder created in the app drawer. And just like on the home screen, you can pretty much create folders exactly the same way in the app drawer, either by dragging and dropping one app onto another one, or by selecting an app over here. And then of course you can select multiple additional apps, and then you can use create folder in the upper right corner. And of course, folders can be customized at least a little bit as well. Like for example, we can set up the name for the folder. You can keep adding more and more apps. So this allows you to save the space on the app drawer as well. So if you want to, for example, put all social media apps into a single folder, then of course you can do so pretty easily. Now, besides that, there are a couple of more things that we can do. On the app drawer page, if you have empty space, like for example, if I move over here these two apps to that other page in here, there we go, just like that. Then of course now I have two empty spaces on this first page. There is an option that allows you to clean those empty spaces. So if I tap on these three dots here, then I can choose clean up pages, then press OK. And there we go. Now my app drawer is slightly reorganized, so I don't have any excessive pages. So as you can see, my third page is also removed because my only app that I had over there has been moved to the second page because I just have space in here. And the gap that was in here on the first page is also, of course, filled in. Now you can, of course, easily apply that change and you can just move forward, or you can cancel in case you are not really happy with these changes. Another way to organize the app drawer is by using these three dots again in the upper right corner, and in here we have the sort option. So of course, as I mentioned, these pages that we have on the app drawer is the standard way of using the app drawer on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone instead of scrolling up and down. But if you prefer to scroll up and down and you prefer to have an alphabetical list, then you can actually switch from the custom order to that alphabetical list. And then all your folders are sorted alphabetically and also your apps. And now we can just scroll up and down and we cannot use pages anymore. Of course, this limits your organizing options because now this list is just alphabetical. You cannot really change positions of your apps, but you can still use folders if you want to. But if you just prefer that alphabetical list, then of course you can use that. Now, if you change your mind, you can easily go back to the standard style, and there are no changes made in between. So your apps in that custom order are still ordered exactly the same way as they were before your change to alphabetical list. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.